Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks much. I appreciate the support. Today I'm going to do some breakfast on the Blackstone. I'm going to do my version of an egg McMuffin. So I've got some English muffins, I've got some cheese, I've got some ham, and I'm going to use my egg rings today to make my version of this. So stay tuned, we'll get the food prepped up here in a sec and I'll be right back. Okay, let's take a quick bite here. Cut into one of these. English muffins are nice and crispy. Kind of see that. English muffin, egg ham, cheese, and bread. Whoop, take a quick bite. Just like McDonald's. Something really quick and easy, inexpensive you can do in your Blackstone. These things are really delicious for a fast breakfast. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. Please stay safe. Like and subscribe if you're so inclined, and we'll see you next time.